go back a couple of videos and you will see that we are filling our yard with sand and cleaning up the property. Well, this deck is in the way. I'm going to get rid of it. So this deck was here when we moved in, and it was in a lot better shape, but it fell apart very quickly. It's just time to get rid of it. There's no salvageable wood. This is just old treated lumber that's sat on the ground for decades, and it's spent its useful life. So we're going to tear it up, pile it up, and hopefully get a dumpster in the future that we'll throw it into. That's the plan. Let's get rid of the deck. Previously, you guys saw me finish up the insulation in our ceiling. Today, I'm going to try to finish up this bathroom ceiling. So actually above the bathroom ceiling, which is the roof, we're going to be insulating this little area, 6 feet wide, 3 bays, going all the way forward into the entryway. Let's see if we can get it done. This one's going to be a little more tricky because of all this ceiling framing for the bathroom, but I'm sure we can squeeze it up there. Check this out, guys. We got the ceiling done today, finally. Completely finished. The whole entryway and the bathroom. I even got some spray foaming done in some of the little cracks that I couldn't get the insulation in. So it's all packed in there pretty well. You guys saw the bedroom is all done. There's a couple little cracks along this edge that I'm going to spray foam also. Some of the spots over the wall, it was hard to get the insulation fully in there. So there might be a couple of small, like, you know, just tiny cracks, and we can seal those up with foam. Yeah, not bad at all. So we're done. We're done insulating the ceiling, and that is huge progress. Now we're going to be doing the same thing to the ceiling as we did the walls, and that is putting the pink paper on there, and that is a red rosin paper. And I'm going to go over this quick, just in case you've just joined us, of why we have this pink paper on our walls. We put the paper up, and that provides an air barrier, and it's going to make our house a lot more energy efficient. The reason we chose paper is because it's not a moisture barrier. It's not a vapor barrier. So water vapor can pass freely through the paper. Air does not. It's just a breathable membrane. So anyway, that's all. We're going to get working on that and hopefully get that done. Then we can vacuum the floor in here and start working on these walls. Check this out, guys. Big progress. Last night, Ashley and I worked on getting the ceiling started. We got those first 4 sections done on both sides of the room. And now I'm going to finish up the ends and then we'll do the top. It's coming along great. Done. Well guys, the ceiling is done. It's looking awesome. It's a little bit warm up there, but I'll tell you the insulation is making a huge difference. It's already been a lot cooler in the room today, so that's exciting. Paper is up mostly except for the very edge. We'll probably do something on some of the cracks, but it's not a big deal. This isn't even mandatory or necessarily necessary. This is a precaution that we want to do because of the type of ceiling we want to install. So I'm happy with it. And I still have to do out here in the hallway and over the bathroom. But again, I'm not worried about that. I'm going to do that another day when it cools down a little bit. It's very warm today and I don't want to sweat. Now the reason it's still hot in here, even though we have insulation, is mostly because of that right there. The attic is wide open to our living space. And it's extremely hot in the attic, and all that hot air is just gushing out into this room. So we definitely need to get that sealed up. If even temporarily with a piece of plastic, that would help a lot. Maybe we'll try to get that covered over. We'll finish up the paper. We're going to see how this room does. Oh, I'm so excited to keep working and get the room done. But I think that's all we have for today. So, thanks for watching. And until next time, take care.
See ya.